Hello everyone and welcome back to Fuzz and Buzz. Today we are making potato pancakes filled with mozzarella cheese. This recipe calls for 21 ounces of peeled potatoes. That's 600 grams. You should choose a type of potato that is firm and try to stay away from the floury kinds, like in the US, for example, the russet, I think it's called. So I'm done with peeling all the potatoes. Now we have to cut them down in size a bit to make them cook a little bit faster and a little bit more even. Oops, safety first. So now I'm just cutting them and placing them in the pan with water. So now then we are done cutting. Just place these on a rolling boil on the stove until they are soft. In the meantime, we can prepare the mozzarella cheese. So when the potatoes are cooked soft, pass them through a potato ricer. So now it's time to add all the other ingredients. So start off with 4.4 ounces of all-purpose flour. Add 1.5 ounces of grated parmesan cheese. Add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Then add 1 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And our final ingredient is ground white pepper. Now all that's left to do is just mix all the ingredients together. Divide the potato dough in 8 equal parts. Lightly flour the surface so the potato pancakes doesn't stick. Now flatten them out in your hand and place 2 pieces of mozzarella cheese. Fold the dough gently over the mozzarella cheese, making sure the mozzarella is not peeking out, because that will create a leak later when you fry them. Sprinkle the potato pancakes with all-purpose flour. Use your hands to distribute the flour on both sides. You should end up with a result like this. So we will be using sunflower oil to fry these. Sunflower oil has a high smoke point, and it's also a good source of vitamin E. So I'm frying these at medium to medium-low heat. We don't want to burn them. So give them a minute or so and then use a spatula to check the color underneath. So there we go. It's time for the taste test. They feel really soft, and the cheese, wow. This works really good with roasted chicken or even steak. If you try this recipe, let us know in the comments what you think. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day and catch us in the next one.